Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Kingston, a city with over 3 centuries of history, is undergoing a transformation into a premier destination, home of one of the world's largest natural harbor, yet downtown Kingston specifically holds immense untapped potential.
The vision is to transform downtown Kingston into a tourism city. In 2024, Jamaica earned over $4 billion from the tourism industry. The capital alone could increase that drastically. However, Executive Director for the Tourism Enhancement Fund, Dr. Kerry Wallace, says not enough is being done to capitalize on the tourism assets, particularly in downtown Kingston.
Opportunity for us as a destination that is so attractive, natural resources plus the cultural assets that we have, plus the gastronomy, food. We have so much going for us that we really are sitting on the opportunity of creating a first world Jamaica if we get it right.
He added that when compared to other small island developing states, there are also other subsectors in Jamaica that are not flourishing despite its rich cultural appeal.
Hiking, cycling, camper vanning, all those are big aspects of tourism and travel in other countries and other jurisdictions, but not here. Even cruise ships don't overnight in Jamaica. The ingredients are here just for us to bake the pie.
And while crime and the sewage crisis are often cited as deterrents in the capital, he insists that we have the power to change the narrative with the right investments and infrastructure development.
It's humans pulling the triggers, so if more of us can see the connection, don't say, boy, we're struggling today, so we have to go a life of crime. We recognize that if we keep the country peaceful, nobody will be struggling. We'll have enough flows coming in right across the length and breadth of Jamaica. Slogan for Airbnb is travel like a local. The same supermarket you go to, that's the supermarket the visitors going to. The same cook shop that you eat at, it's them going to. The same corner bar to have a drink, they are going to. So it's a real immersion of the tourism dollar.
For the Business Day, I'm Deirdre Thomas.
The JSE index declined by 283 points, while the junior market index advanced by 30 points. 49 stocks advanced, including tropical battery, medical disposables and supplies, Caribbean flavors and fragrances, Proven Group, and CAC 2000. 47 declining stocks were led by ISP Finance Services, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Main Event Entertainment Group, Edufocal, and JPS 7% preference shares. 16 stocks traded firm. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with the US dollar selling for an average $157.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.22. The pound is going for $202.99, while the euro is selling for an average $171.76. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.